षष्ठः पाठः सदाचारः। सुप्रभातं छात्राः, we are learning about Sadacharaha, good behavior. Yesterday we finished first two shlokas of this lesson. I hope you learnt and you understood well. Let us move into third shloka today. Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat na bruyat satyamapriyam priyam cha nandritam bruyat esha dharmah sanatanaha. Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat na bruyat satyam apriyam priyam cha na andritam ब्रूयात एषः धर्मः सनातनः. In this shloka, importance of truthfulness is explained. Same time, pleasant word, importance of pleasant talking also explained here, and demerits of lie also mentioned here. Satyam bruyat, tell the truth. You must speak truth. Priyam bhruya, same time we have to speak pleasantly. But na bhruya satyam apriyam. We not supposed to speak the truth in unpleasant manner. In the sake of telling the truth, we not supposed to tell that in unpleasant manner. Same time, priyam cha nandritam bhruyat. We not supposed to speak pleasant lie. To please somebody, we not supposed to tell lie also. Esha dharma sanatanaha. Esha sanatanaha dharmaham. This is the path of eternal righteousness. Therefore, we need to speak truth. We need to speak pleasant one. We not supposed to speak lie to please somebody. We know that if we say something good about others, they get happy and do some favors. For to get that favor, we not supposed to tell lie also. This is the eternal path of righteousness. So, speak the truth, speak pleasantly. Do not speak the truth in an unpleasant manner. Even if pleasant, do not speak untruth. This is the path of eternal righteousness. Satyam, truth, bruyat, tell, priyam, pleasant, satyam, apriyam, unpleasant, truth, na, not, andritam, lie, eshaha, this, dharmaha, righteousness, sanatanaha, the path of eternal. Let us move into fourth shloka. Sarvada vyavahare syat औदार्यं सत्यथा तथा रुजुता मृदुता चापि कौटिल्यं न कदाचन. In this shloka, we are going to learn about how to behave in society. Sarvada vyavahare syat, sarvada always in our behavior. Vyavahare syat means in our behavior there should be audaryam, generosity, means we must be generous while behaving with others. And satyata tata, same time we must have truthfulness also. We must be generous, we must be truthful to others. Then rujuta mruduta chapi vyavahare syat. Rujuta mruduta chapi asmakam vyavahare syat. That means rujuta, simplicity. Let us be rich or poor or normal, we must be simple. We must be simple in our behavior. And mrudutha, while talking to others, we must be soft. So we must show softness in our behavior. So these qualities also you must add while behaving with others. And but one thing should not be there. What is that? Kautilyam. Kautilyam means wickedness. We are not supposed to show wickedness to others at all in our life. If we show all these good qualities, then we will be praised by everyone, and everyone will start to honor us. So always there should be generosity, truthfulness, simplicity and softness in our behavior, but never show wickedness in life. Sarvada, always, vyavahare, in behavior, audaryam, generosity, satyata, truthfulness, rujuta, simplicity, mruduta, softness, kautilyam, wickedness, na kadachana, never. So children, we learnt 2 more shlokas today with great values. So you learn these shlokas with meanings thoroughly and try to adopt these qualities in your life. Then you will be very successful. Thank you, children.